zip code downtown, Astrodome City. 83 on the island. Aloha. Zip code. Zip code 83 on the 410, 83, zip code. Aloha. God bless you. God bless you and the family. Hollow Point, your baby brother around the Big Island said aloha and see you soon. Hello, zip code. I do hear you also. Zip code, Showdown. Aloha. 410, Showdown. Hey, Showdown. Welcome to the weekend, man. Hey, long time no spoke upon. Hey, glad, doggone, we got a little condition, doggone, and I can, doggone, welcome you to the weekend on that coming in. Hey, Showdown, I've been listening to your talk show all evening long. Showdown, good evening to you. Zip code, aloha. All right, Zip code, I appreciate it, big bro. Ain't nothing but a thing. I'm just trying to do what I love to do. Zip code, Showdown, I'll see you. And you doing it too, my friend. Hey, Showdown, know your fans and butts about it. You sound like stereo with a yo-yo downtown. On your island. Hey, Showdown, you little fan. Aloha, right back to Easttown. Got it all on Easttown. March Squad, won't you said right back. March Squad, Honolulu, come on down. Aloha. Yeah, you see, you just waiting your turn, man. Well, you got up in here like, oh, we the people that wait. Hey, Mars Squad, good evening to you, man. Hey, Mars Squad, good evening to you in that good talking mobile. Mars Squad, old zip code, break. Well, you got up here in fine style, big brother. I appreciate you taking your slippers off and walking my house there, break. Hey, Mars Squad, I heard you, but that doggone up. Yeah, I sure do, man. You know, I don't want nothing in my house I'm going to step on. I'm going to get mad at. You know what I'm saying there, break. Well, Mr. 32-5, God bless you, the proud family. For visiting her and swell, it has been a spell. Mr. 32-5 with your mean myself, and Mr. Showdown deep in the islands. I'll see ya. Mahalo, aloha, and have yourself a good night. 32-5, Showdown, I see. Magnolia Kids showing up around the islands. Magnolia Showdown, I'll see ya. Yeah, Undertaker had that mall down, big brother. He was out there cruising up to Kelly, and he was out there cruising it too, man. Doing what he's supposed to do. Using that motherfucker, the hotel. Okay, man. Alright, well, you take care of your little boss. I appreciate you getting around Showdowns. I'm just cruising these Hawaiian Islands. I'll see you. Aloha, Cactus Patch. Pirate Southern Cal. I did hear E-17 Phoenix. I heard another big brother out there. Aloha. Wildcat. A Wildcat. A wide body radio. Solid chassis. See ya. circle now. Wildcat, I'll see you. Yeah, they keep on driving in circles like that. Oh, no. You're just hard time to get up in my radio. Come on. Man. Appreciate it. Hello, 819. California, showdown, aloha. Yeah, is that the one with the, is that the one with the air variable puff tuner in it? Copy. Them coil antennas before the rest of the factories came out with it. You got one of my flat coil antennas, them double coils. Man, yeah, I just put more keying circuits in those TNTs and air variable pulse tuners and a bunch of junk. That was way back in the day, man. Wow. Hey, cool. All right, man. You still got some of them homemade antennas. Yeah, that was back in the day. Just use what you had, come out and key it. Yeah, well, you still can come home, you know. There's a local boy in all of us, and sooner or later, man, that urge to come home, you know, that urge, want to be around the world, want to be around, you know. Yeah, you get the urge one day and come home anytime. You know that. You can go right to supporting.